Excellent training. Someone mentioned the speed at which the slides were going through, which it was an issue for me at first because I'm a note taker as well. But then I realized that we're getting a copy of this presentation, so that wasn't that big of an issue. I have, again, remember guys, I don't know if you remember me specifically, but I signed up for this class back in November, so I've been looking forward to this for 6 months. I wasn't disappointed. I love the material. I love how it's not, and I think Ricky said this on more than one occasion, whereas it's geared to help one pass the CMRP. It's not just about getting rote memory or something to pass a test. It's to actually learn, expand our horizons and learn more in the maintenance and reliability field. And that's what I took away from it. I feel more confident now and with a lot more ideas to approach how to improve reliability across our corporate sites. Yeah, I would recommend this class, even if somebody wasn't considering the CMRP, but especially so if they were.